Assalamualaikum guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all viewers are fine. Today in this video I'm providing trendy and beautiful cord set design. I hope you all love these all dresses. A cord set short of coordinate set is a style and confident outfit option that has gained immense popularity in the fashion world. This assemble typically consists of two or more matching pieces such as a top and bottom, designed to be worn together, creating a cohesive and polished look. Cord set are celebrated for their versatility and easy, and they take the guesswork out of the outfit planning while still allowing for a chic put together appearance. The design of cord set can range from casual and relaxed to formal and sophisticated, making them suitable for various occasions. One of the most popular style of cord set is the crop top and skirt set. This design usually features a fitted crop top paired with a matching skirt, which can range from mini to midi or maxi length. The crop top from often show a long hit of midriff, adding a youthful and playful vibe to the outfit, while the skirt balanced the look while the feminine slouch. This type of cord set is perfect for summer outing, beach vacation, and casual daytime events. Depending on the fabric and embellishment, it can be dressed up with heels and accessories for more formal occasion, or kept simple with sandals for a laid back look. Another widely loved options is a blazers and trousers set, which often a more polished and professional appearance. This design is ideal for office wear or formal events, as it exudes confidence and sophistication. The blazer is often tailored to fit perfectly, enhancing the wearing figures, while the matching trouser create a streamed slout. The cord set can be classic natural tones like black, navy, or gray. It can be made a bold statement in bright color or print. The beauty of set lies is its ability to be worn as a complete outfit of mixed and match with other piece in your wardrobe for adding versatility. For a more relaxing and comfortable option, the knitwear cord set has become a staple is modern fashion. This design typically includes a matching sweater or cardigan paired with neat pants or a skirt. The soft, cozy fabric make it deal for lounging at home, running errands, or casual outing, while the matching piece ensure that would still look effortless. Stylish knitwear cord set often come in natural tones like beige, gray, or pastel, but they can also feature bold pattern like strips or geometric designs. The stretchy, forgiving materials also making this set incredibly comfortable to wear for extending period. The shirt and short cord set is another popular design, particular for warm month. This assemble often include a lightweight button-down shirt paired with matching shorts, creating a breezy and casual look. That shirt can be styled in various ways, such as tucked in, tied at the waist, or left open over a tank top, allowing or versatility in how the is worn. This type of cord set is perfect for beach trips, picnics, or casual summer gathering. The matching piece create a coordinate look that is easy to wear, while the relaxed piece ensure comfort and easy of movement. The long wear cord set has gained popularity in recent year, particular curly with the rise of work from home culture. This set usually include a matching top, bottom such as sweatshirt and joggers, or a hoodies and leggings made from soft, comfortable fabric like cotton or fleece. Long wear cord set are designed for maximum comfort without scarfing style, making them perfect for relaxing at home, running errand, or casual meetups with friends. The matching elements give the outfit a cohesive look, while the comfortable fit and fabric making ideal for all the wears. A more glamorous option is the sequined or embellishment cords are perfect for parties or special occasion. The design often includes a matching top and skirt to or trouser, both adorned with sequins, beads, to or other embellishment that add sparkle and shine. The coordinating pieces create a sticking and cohesive look that is sure to turn head. The type of cord set is ideal for evening events, holiday parties, or any occasion where you want to make a bold fashion statement. The shimmering fabric and intricate details make this set as show toppers, allowing you to stand out in any cord. For those who love print and patterns, the floral printed cord set is a perfect choice. This design typically feature a matching top and bottom with the same print or pattern such as floral, polka dots, and or geometric designs. The coordinated prints create a harmonious look that is both eye-catching and stylish. This type of cord set is versatile and can be worn for various occasions, for casual lighting to more formal events depending on the fabric and cut of the pieces. So guys, I hope you all love these all dresses. So please share this video with your friends who want this type of dresses. I hope they will love all these dresses. So please friend, like my video and subscribe my channel for two new and trendy ideas related to these dresses. See you soon friends. Allah Hafiz. Thank you.